Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report an account on Discord. Here's how to report an account on Discord. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and go to the Discord web app and log in using your account's credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the user you want to report. Find the user you wish to report, and you can do this in any of the servers you're part of by searching for the user directly. If the user is in a server, click on the profile picture or username to open the profile picture of the user. So let's say this is a user and I click on this user. The next thing is, once you click on the username, their profile will open in the right hand side. So this is the username of the person. So you see an option to message or add friend. Okay, so this is it. So you can message the person just directly here. Now in the top right corner of the user profile, so this, let's say this is the role. So I'm clicking on the user profile, so click on that name, and this says it's a message the person, and this says no mutual fare, no mutual servers, etc. So in the top right corner of the user profile, just go ahead and click on the three dots menu, also known as the more options menu. And once you click on that, in the drop down menu, you're going to find an option that says report user profile. Now click on report user profile. After clicking on report user profile, a window will pop up asking you to choose the reason for the report. Example could be harassment, spam, inappropriate content, etc. So select the appropriate reason based on the situation. Depending on the reason, you may be prompted to provide additional details or context about the situation. Be specific in your reports to help Discord's moderation team understand the issue clearly. Once you have selected the reason and provided any necessary details, click on Submit Report. Your report will be sent to Discord's moderation team for review. Now, your identity as a reporter will remain anonymous to the person being reported. And if the issue involves several specific violations such as spamming or harassment, you can also reach out to the several moderators to help resolve the issue. Discord will investigate the report, but they may not always provide specific feedback on the outcome. However, they will take appropriate action if the account violates their community guidelines or terms of service. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.